Okay, so we've got a 2016 Mazda 6 touring wagon. Automatic, metallic blue in colour. Travelled only 46,000 kilometres. Got the reverse camera sensors. Tinted windows, alloy wheels. The exterior presents like new, as you would expect. And a good set of tyres, look like they've just been replaced. Front and rear parking sensors also. Radar cruise control. I think that also includes anti-collision. Take a look at the interior. Power windows, cruise control, Bluetooth connectivity, dual airbags front and side, 43,000 kilometres. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, big screen that, dual zone climate air, automatic transmission with your sports modes, and you got your little command centre. The leather interior, it's nice and light, perfect for summer, all in good condition. There's your back seat, plenty of space for three. Just show you inside the boot quickly. All inquiries are welcome. Please give us a call.